Hey there, welcome, and thank you for gifting yourself these next few minutes. Allowing yourself even a few moments of intentional reflection can have a big positive impact on the rest of your day. So let's use this time to unwind and reset. Find a comfortable position, whether it's sitting on your couch, on the floor, or laying down, as long as you're comfortable. And when you're ready, gently close your eyes. Now take a few long, deep breaths to relax the mind and body. In through your nose, hold it for a moment, and slowly out through your mouth. And just repeat that pattern a couple of times, taking slow, deep breaths. Feeling your lungs expand as you inhale. Noticing your belly rise and fall with each breath. And continuing to breathe that way. Notice any place of tension or tightness in your body. Give those areas permission to relax, allowing any tension you're holding to melt away, sending love into those areas. Let your body know that it's okay to rest for a bit. It's okay to relax and slow down, because you deserve it. Remember, you are a priority. Let's take a few more deep breaths together. In through your nose, and slowly out through your mouth. Again, an even deeper breath than the one before it. Holding it for a bit and exhaling everything out. And if your mind starts to wander off, know that it is perfectly normal. It will happen. It's natural. Just try to bring your attention back to your breathing, noticing each inhale and each exhale, noticing how each breath feels in your body. Keeping all of your attention on your breathing, taking even deeper breaths than you've taken all day so far. This time, try counting in your mind on each inhale from 1 to 5. And remember, thoughts will show up. That's normal. Picture them as clouds moving across the sky. You don't need to push them away. You don't need to hold them. Just notice them passing and come back to breathing. So when you notice a thought, don't try to force it out. Simply notice it. Say hi to it. then goodbye, and let it go. Shifting your attention back to your breathing. And as we near the end of this session, take a moment to thank yourself for taking these few minutes and for being kind to yourself. And in your own time, gently open your eyes, slowly bringing your attention back to the room. And have a great day or sweet dreams. And if this felt good, please subscribe and like this video to support the channel.